I'm using the Ormco EtchFree bonding material, and I do these in sections. And normally I will do 2 to 2 or 3 to 3, and then I'll do the posterior segment. So I want to just show you this. Now, it is moisture tolerant. They do recommend that you give a little air dry. And so basically, everyone says to me, don't you need a cheek retractor? But remember, you're not worried about moisture control. The patient's tongue is not going to lick the front teeth. So I'm just using my hands as my retractor. So first step is, here, Shine, you want to get this? This is the EtchFree primer. It's kind of an acetone base. And then I just put a dab on each tooth. It's hard to see. It's very clear, but it's on. And then very quickly, within like 5 seconds, you've got to put the Solo on. You go right over it like that. And then I usually dip once more and put that on there. That's it. That's the prep. Now I'm ready for my brackets. Now the thing that's important about the brackets is the paste has to, you don't want to put too much. You want to put enough, of course, like any old bracket. But the excess will hurt you. It's very hard to see. And the material, once it cures, is very hard. And so I have had times where if I didn't clean the excess, or if the assistant put too much on the back of the bracket, then when I went to tie it in, I couldn't even see the excess. But I noticed that I just could not get underneath the tie wing, which of course is not good. So that's it. That's 2 brackets.